What's up everyone? It's gonna be a quick update with the one that we bought on the outlet. It is a mini haul from the what I expect in a Nike outlet store after the 20% member access. So this is quite pickup. We have not much going on that outlet, and just would like to share you since some of it are good, some of it are bad. So on this channel it's not always share you the highs, and I would like to share you some of the lows. So starting off, why I decided to buy on this one, this Kyrie 6 says we got the white and black pure platinum, and if you see on the flag, as you can see right here, $69.97 with the additional 30%. Let's see, $69.97 minus the 30% should be came around $49 on this particular size. So it is size 12. There is 20 result, so some of them are reselling somewhere 90 and above, and as you can see there is 3 result. The ratio is kind of a little bit low, prices are not bad. So one is one sold for 123.85 and 124. So with that in mind, buy cost is 48 for, let's say 49, and let's put on the calculator. Cost is 49. Let's say I want to do a free shipping $13, and I want to sell it for 100, and my profit would be somewhere around $30 or 62% return of investment. All right, the next one that I decided to get is this shield jacket. It is a long sleeve jacket, and the retail is 140, and I got them for $49.99 and then additional 30%. So what made me choose to get me this one is just because the weather, it is raining, it is cold, and when I did the see the comps, not much going on, or not, there's not a listing out there. So I decided to pick them up because people need something to wear, especially when raining, especially when cold. All right, next one, we got this women's Air Max 270 React, and I only focus on the size 8 because that's the only sizes that are moving or reselling. And as you can see right here, there is 23 result, and when we look into how many has been sold, 9 result has been sold, and they are selling somewhere 80 plus shipping, 100, 100, 100, 100, and free shipping. So that's a good sign for this one. So 23 result, 9 has been sold out. So based on that figure, we put on we buy this for $79.97 with the 30. How much will be our profit? 56. Shipping cost, you want to do a free shipping and sell it for 100, and then we're gonna make at least $23 or 42% return of investment. All right, next one, we got the Jordan Metamorphic utility. The retail on this one is 110. We bought this one for $34.97, additional 30% off, so somewhere around, so at least we got this one somewhere around 24.47, and 3 result has been sold. I decided to get me this one because the price is not bad, and it's also Jordan shoes, and if I won't be able to resell it here in the US, I'm not gonna send it to the Philippines. So that's the main thing that I'm getting. All right, last one, we got the Air Jordan 1 High React. Retail is 170, and we got them for $44.97, additional 30% off, and that should be somewhere around $31.50. Okay, so I don't know, a lot of hate on this one because Jordan 1 High with the React, so that's why no love on this one. But if you already knew React cushioning, it is really comfortable. So well, it's not a bad shoe considering if you can get a Jordan 1 High for a $31. So I would still consider getting them if it's a low budget Jordan 1 shoe. You can't go wrong on that one. But hey, let's check it out. How much are they reselling? The result is 49 result. There is 39 has been sold out already. So as you can see right there, 1108, 109, 84. There's a mix of price, 89, 101, 79, 79. So the prices are various. It depends on the sizes. So that's already a good sign when there is has 39 has been sold, and there is. So let's see how much gonna make. So buy cost is 31. If I wanna do a free shipping, 13 bucks, and then let's say I wanna let it go for 89 bucks. Am I gonna go higher? But my profit would be somewhere 38.51 and 124% return of investment. So with that said, that is not bad for this Jordan 1 high react, and mainly I would still consider buying them for personal, especially if I want a Jordan 1. I want a comfortable shoe. Comes with this react, why not? I would prefer this one rather than the OG that is kind of hurt me when I'm walking. It's much better to have a stylish shoes with a comfortable shoes. That's just me, okay? All right. And hey, got them for very low price though. I'm not breaking the bank. So okay, so with that said, on this pickup and hold on the Nike outlet, an update for the Nike outlet blog. So what do you think on this one? Which one is much better pickup of them all? And with that said, thank you for dropping by again. Thank you for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.